Over 60, feeling like your legs just don't carry you the way they used to. Maybe climbing stairs leaves you winded, or your legs feel heavy and weak after just a short walk. You're not alone, and it's not just aging. New research shows that certain natural teas can actually rebuild muscle, improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and restore the energy you thought you'd lost forever. And the best part, these teas are safe, simple, and backed by science. In fact, one long-term study in Japan found that older adults who drank green tea daily were far more likely to maintain muscle strength and balance as they aged. Even Japan's legendary sprinter, Hidekichi Miyazaki, who competed past age 100, credited his daily green tea ritual for his endurance and vitality. So today, I'm revealing the top 3 teas every senior should drink to boost leg strength and energy. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share one surprising tea ingredient you've probably never heard of that can supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue. Let's dive in. 1. Ginger turmeric tea. If your legs often feel heavy or sore after walking, this warming golden tea might become your best friend. Why it works? Ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory roots. Together, they fight stiffness, swelling, and joint aches that make your legs feel weak. Ginger improves blood circulation, ensuring oxygen-rich blood reaches your leg muscles so they feel alive and strong. Turmeric's curcumin protects muscles from breakdown and supports faster recovery, so your body feels steadier after activity. Bonus, ginger also boosts metabolism, giving you a natural lift in energy without the jitters of coffee. How to make it? Slice fresh ginger root, add a teaspoon of turmeric, steep in hot water for 10 minutes. Always add a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. Sweeten with honey or lemon if you like. Drink 1 cup daily, and within weeks you'll notice less heaviness, more steadiness, and even extra motivation to stay active. 2. Ginseng green tea. Next is a revitalizing blend that feels like a gentle wake-up call for your muscles and your brain. Why it works? Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that protect muscles from cellular damage and keep joints younger for longer. Ginseng is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle physical and mental stress. It boosts stamina, endurance, and muscle oxygen use, so you can walk further and climb stairs without tiring as quickly. Together, they give steady, balanced energy unlike coffee, which spikes and crashes. How to make it? Brew a cup of green tea, then add a few thin slices of ginseng root or a pinch of ginseng powder. Steep for 5 minutes, sweeten if desired. Studies show seniors who take ginseng regularly improve lower body strength and reduce fatigue. Even actor Jackie Chan, well into his 70s, credits ginseng tea as part of his daily vitality routine. 3. Ashwagandha root tea. Finally, a calming tea that restores balance to your whole system, body, mind, and legs. Why it works? Ashwagandha regulates cortisol, the stress hormone that weakens muscles and drains energy over time. It's been shown to increase muscle strength and endurance, even in older adults. It strengthens nerve connections, improving coordination and balance so you feel steady on your feet. Taken at night, it improves sleep quality, crucial, since your muscles repair themselves while you rest. How to make it? Simmer a teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and add honey or cinnamon for taste. Drink in the morning for calm energy, or at night to relax and recover. These aren't just comforting drinks. They're daily tools to help you walk stronger, stand steadier, and feel more alive every single day. Remember, consistency is key. Just 1 cup a day, paired with gentle movement, can create real change over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend who could use stronger legs, and don't forget to subscribe to Wellholic for more simple, research-backed health tips made just for you. You deserve to feel strong again.